Today I'm going to teach you how to add up a number that is doubled and add up all the numbers that are doubled. So say if your parents take a one-digit number like 3 and continually double it. 3, 6, 12, 24, 48, 96. And they say, what do those numbers add up to? Well, all you have to do is remember the first number they started out with, which is 3, and the last number, which is 96. And the way to do that is you take 96 and you double it. 96 times 2, if you do it in your head, is 192. And then you subtract the number you started with, 3. 192 minus 3 is 189. That's what all those numbers add up to. Can we try it again? How about we use the number 7? 7 plus 14 plus 28 plus 56 plus 112. What does that add up to? Well, you take the last number, 112, and you double it. What's 112 doubled? 224. Then you subtract the first number, 7, and the answer is 217. Practice a few times. I promise you will freak out whoever you do this to.